May God save his people, his children. May God see us through. Because it seems as if there is some movement in Nigeria concerning this Niger something. If you know you have someone in the military, start now to call them. The gods of our land will not go with them. The God we serve will not go with them. Even their spirit is also judging them for doing such obedient nonsense command. Speak to them. Even if they start to say something, take a phone, make a video against this kind of movement. If you don't know how to do, write, send SMS on your WhatsApp group. Say as much as you can. Don't just speak in silence. This is not from us. This can never help us. This is not African blood. There is no way they have used us against ourselves before. Not this time again. They will use you against yourself, against your brothers, against your sisters, against your nation, against your continent. There shouldn't be any movement at all. There shouldn't be anyone born of human being that will heed to this kind of instruction. It will make no sense. It will never make sense. It's completely barbarous. To fight a war successfully must be a kind of a motivation. And there is nothing like motivation here. Obeying command is not just a success in any war. You can't be a zombie. You can't be senseless to heed to this kind of instruction. I said it before, Nigeria is doomed to be destroyed. If we don't speak out now, something will be happening and you and me will begin to regret. My own part I will do by doing 1 or 2 videos. Do your own part. Do your own video. Let's start now to talk. Start now to call. Make calls. I have only one brother in the army. And he already, I've called him severally. Not my own real brother. He's a relative. I've called him. I've told him to share my video among themselves so that it won't look like he is one trying to spray fear among them, their colleagues. Do your own part. Make we dey talk now. Make we start now to dey talk.